Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp message instantly to your sports equipment business lead. So here our objective is that whenever we get new Facebook lead for my sports equipment business in Facebook lead ads, then I instantly want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead, and here for sending the message we are going to use Vati. And for this we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, we are going to use Facebook Lead Ads. In Action application, we are going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see how we can instantly send WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads. So here we will create an integration between Facebook Lead Ads, and for sending the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use Vati. So Vati is an application that enables businesses to send and receive messages on WhatsApp, and we will create this integration between Facebook leads and Vati. So here I have this Facebook page of my sports equipment business, and the name of my page is Sports Gear Hub, and this is the name of my business too. And to promote my business, I'm posting an ad on my page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now to connect with my leads and to convert these leads as a customer, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message. So for that, we are going to use Vati, and we are going to automate this entire process without any coding skills. And whenever we will get a new Facebook leads, then we will send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. So for that, I'm going to open a new tab, and here I will search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and here we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I will name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message to your sports business lead. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I will select home here, and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be Facebook Lead Ads. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I will open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and I will connect Facebook Lead Ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Now we click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now we have two details, page and the lead gen form. Now for these details, let's go back to Facebook, and this is my page, and it is named as Sports Gear Hub, and I will open this menu, and I will go to Meta Business Suite. Here I'm going to open this all tools, and I will scroll down and I will find this instant forms. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see we have this one form which is new lead form. So I'm going to open this, and this is my form. We have three details here, full name, email and the phone number. So this is how my form look like. I will close this, and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So my page is Sports Gear Hub. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to search for my page. So I will select this, Now for the lead gen form, I will open this tab and this new lead form will be my lead gen form. So I'm going to select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the save and send test request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So now I'm going to click here on save and send test request button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. And in Metaphor Developer, I'm going to create a sample submission of my lead. So for that, I will open Metaphor Developer. I will go to Metaphor Developer. Here I will go to my app. And I will go to Tools. And in Tools, I will find this Lead Ads RTO debug tool. I'll open this. And here we can see we have these two details here, page and the form. So I'm going to select my page here, which is sports gear. So I will select this and I will select my form, which is new lead form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on preview form button and I'm going to fill dummy details in my form so that I can create a sample submission. So I will click here on preview form. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my full name will be demo user. And my email will be demouser@pablitudes.com and I will give a random phone number and I will click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this new lead and I have submitted this form. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. Here we can see we have received this new response. So my full name is demo user, email is demouser@pablitudes.com. And this is a random phone number. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this phone number and I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message on this particular number. So for that, I will set up my action and here I will open this and here my action application will be Vati. So I'm going to select this and I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I will connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here. I will click on add new connection and to connect Vati, I have to give a API endpoint and the access token. Now to get this, let's go back to Vati and in Vati, I will go to API docs and here in API docs, I can see I have this access token and API endpoint. So I'm going to copy this API endpoint first and I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it here. And now I will go back to Vati. I will copy this access token and I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste it here. So I have filled all my details here. Now I'm going to click on save. So my connection is successful. Now I have to fill all these details to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead. Now first I have to select my WhatsApp number and for this I am going to map my WhatsApp number here and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I'm going to open this Facebook lead ads response and here I have this WhatsApp number. So I'm going to select this. So this will be my WhatsApp number and now I have to select my template. So for this, let's go back to Vati. I will go to templates. Here you have to first create a new template and for that you have to click here on new template message and you have to fill all your details here, template name, category, language and you have to give the template message. Now I'm going to close this and I have created this template which is Sports Gear Hub. So I'll open this. So this is my template and the name is Sports Gear Hub, category is marketing, language is English and this is the content of my message, hello and the name is variable here. So this is going to change according to my new Facebook lead. We are very glad to connect with you and one of our team members will contact you very soon and we will get you what you want. Thank you, Team Sports Gear Hub. So this is the body of my message and I'm going to use this template. So I will map this in Pabbly Connect. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open this tab and in this I have all the templates that I have in my Vati account. So I'm going to select this Sports Gear Hub template. Now I have to give a broadcast name. So let's go back to Vati. And here in my template as the broadcast title, I have none. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will type none here. Now I have custom params, so this is the most important step and I want to avoid mistakes here. So custom params should always be in this format. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So custom params should always be in name value pair, and in the name section I only have one variable which is of name. So I'm going to clear this color and I'm going to name my variable here which is name. So I will type it here, and in the value section I will clear this blue and I'm going to map the value of my name here. So I will open this response. So my full name is demo user, so I'm going to use this. So this is the name of my lead. So I have used my variable as the custom params, and if you have more than one variable, then you can just simply give a comma here and you can use this format again. I have filled all my details here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we have this response. So this means we have sent an automated WhatsApp message to this particular lead. Now to check this, let's open WhatsApp. And here we can see we have received this new message. I will open this message. So this is my new message which says, hello demo user, we are very glad to contact with you and one of our team member will contact you very soon and we will get you what you want. Thank you, Team Sports Gear Hub. So this is the same message that we had in our Wati template, and I have instantly sent this automated message on WhatsApp to my new Facebook lead. So my integration here between Facebook lead ad and Wati is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Wati. So whenever I'm getting new Facebook leads for my sports equipment business, then I'm sending an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead instantly by using Wati. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Wati and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.